everyone, today we'll introduce our Rockwell and superficial Rockwell harness tester for you. This unit is available for the harness determination of the alloy and metal material, and is also suitable for the surface hardened steels. It adopts the electronic drive rather than the traditional weight drive, and it can test both Rockwell and superficial Rockwell full scale. It comes with over 15 kinds of the harness scale, and it can convert to HR, HB, HV, and many other testing standards. And our system can store over 500 testing data, and it can be saved even after the power results. And the equipment will come with a wireless Bluetooth printer, which you can print out the testing results. Now I will show you how to operate our Rockwell and superficial Rockwell harness tester.
Loose the screw and remove the top cover. Remove the sponge blocks and securing strips for safe transport. Turn on the main power switch. Install the large testing table and switch onto the diamond indenter. Twist up the testing table to proper position. Set up the testing parameters as required. Twisting the handwheel to give initial load. Then the test force loads, holds and unloads automatically. Test result comes out automatically once test is completed. Test result will be automatically saved.